Hi everyone, this is Computer Experiments and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install macOS Catalina as a virtual machine on VMware. So for this we will be requiring three things. First is the macOS Catalina ISO image. I have left a link in the description, you can download it from there. And second is that we'll be requiring the VMware software, which you can open your web browser and then type VMware workstation. And then from this site, you can either download the licensed one or you can download it for free. After that, the third thing we will need is that unlocker master. So for that, we will open a new tab and type in unlocker master. And here from the GitHub site, you can download it. Now after that is downloaded, you can extract it. I have used WinRAR, you can use 7-zip also. Now from here, since I have already installed the VMware software, after that I will do this. Remember to install the software first, then to do this process. Now you can go here and scroll down to wininstall.cmd and right click on it and select run as administrator. And this will take some time, it will download a file and then extract those. After that is finished, now we have to select in which disk we will install our virtual machine. So here I am going to select my drive D and I am going to create a new folder named VM. You can name it whatever you want, and then in this folder I will create another folder and call it Mac. After that I will copy this ISO file into the folder. Now after that is done, you can close the file explorer, and we can also delete these files because we are not going to require them anymore. So after that is done, you can open the VMware software and then you have to select create a new virtual machine, and here we will select typical. Then I will install the operating system later. Then here you have to select Apple macOS X, and since macOS Catalina is 10.15, so we will select macOS 10.15. Then next, I will name it just Mac. You can name it whatever you want. And I will browse it to the folder that I made for the virtual machine. Now here it is given that minimum requirement is 40 GB. You can give it whatever you want. I'm giving it 120 GB. Now here you have to select stored virtual disk as a single file. Now here you have to go to customize hardware. Now here the memory is already selected that I want 4 GB RAM. You can give it how much you want according to your system. This is half the RAM I am giving. And in processors also I will give half the number of processors that I have. And here now in new CD or DVD SATA, You will select use ISO file image. Now you will browse to the ISO image that we just copied. After that is done, we can click close and then finish. After that, you can select power on this virtual machine. You can ignore these warnings. Now this will boot into the Mac installation page. Now here you can select your language. I will select English. Now here you have to select disk utility. Then you have to click continue. And here you have to select the drive which we just gave it, that is this drive. It will be listed here. You will select erase and you can name it whatever you want. I will name it Mac and then select this format as APFS and then make sure it is GUID partition Mac and then you can click erase. After that is done, you can click done and then we can exit the window. And now you can select install macOS. You can select continue. Here you will click continue, agree. Then you have to select the disk and then select install. Now this will take time. It will reboot 2 to 3 times, so you have to wait for it to finish. Now it will boot directly into macOS Catalina. Now this is the final setup page. Here you have to select your country. I'm in India. I'll select India. Then continue. And here also continue. You can sign it with the Apple ID, but now I will not set it now. Here you have to put your name, then your account name, then your password. Now here you have to put your password. Now here you can select whatever photo you want. Now you can select continue. I will enable the location services. Now here you can select whichever theme you want. I will select light. Now here our setup is completed. Before moving further, we have to first eject this ISO file from here, and then we have to go to this VM tab and there select install VMware tools. Now here you have to select install VMware tools. Just continue. Here you have to give your password. So here we have to select open security preferences. here you have to click on this lock icon, and then you have to put your password, and here you have to click allow. After that you can click it again to lock it back. After that is done, it will resume. So after the VMware tools are installed, you will select restart. Now here you can see that it has fitted all the way up to the whole screen. You put in your password to log in. So here you have macOS Catalina installed as a virtual machine on VMware. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please do share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get updates on my latest videos.